Okay, guys. So you can say that here is a question. Here is a burning question before us that why should child labor be eliminated? Why should child labor be eliminated and how? As you know, child labor is a social evil. Child labor is a social evil in our society. It is found in every area of India. Many children live in poverty. Poor children who below age of 14 years work in industries and in other institutions where they are exploited economically and physically. How can you say economically? Because they are low paid and they are given more work to do. So you can say that they are physically and economically exploited by their master, but they can not do anything. They are exploited economically, physically, but they can not do anything. These industries are very harmful for them. They work to earn money as they have to support their family because they are from the poor family. So the poor children should be provided education by government so that the child labor removed from the society. They should be given education because education is a doorway which can finish their poverty, and many more schemes should be started by the government for the improvement in the life of these poor children. You have seen that almost 20,000 children are working in dingy cells, you can say dark cells, near hot furnaces, where they are losing their eyesight. What is this? This is exploitation. You can see on tea stalls, in restaurants, small children are working, and they are given more and more physical work, and they are not paid so much as they are deserving, but they are doing hard labor. So you can say that education is a doorway which can finish their poverty and start a way from where they can get success, they can reach to the higher places. This is the most burning question of this chapter last spring. Whether the chapter is sometimes I find a rupees in the garbage, or I want to be a motor mechanic. In both the chapters we are seeing that Sahab, who is a rice picker, when he start working at a tea stall, he is paid 800 rupees all his meal, but obviously he was exploited there, but he is getting full meal, so he is satisfied to work at tea stall, but he is not happy because he is not his own master. And here second part, Mukesh, who is from the Bengal makers family and wants to do some other work, and we are unable to know whether his dreams are fulfilled or not. Okay, thank you, that's all.